from where emotions are coming. Most people say it is heart. In corporate, we always talk about root cause analysis. Emotion is coming from endocrine system. It has nothing to do with heart. The endocrine system is the supreme system which controls all other systems, including emotions. This endocrine system consists of ductless glands. For example, thyroid, you must have heard. If thyroid is disturbed, the person becomes irritating. The senior citizens or parents, they may come and say something, and we are busy working professional, we do not know how to react, and many times we impulsively react. The whole day is busy, full of tension, stress, but when you come home, children are again waiting, some more stress come up, isn't it? So, in such situation, it is important that we do not carry the tension of workplace to home, and we can greet our children smilingly. It's easy to say, but how do we do it? I don't think there is any injection, right? Do you want to know how we can control and manage emotions? For example, depression, anger. Many people are not able to sleep. When the person is facing such challenges, they resort to medication. But what I am talking about is not medication, but meditation. Let's say a software engineer would like to concentrate, but the mind is wandering. By practicing this scientific meditation method, you can increase concentration and thereby increase the productivity. Meditation is all about managing the emotions by controlling the hormones of thyroid, pituitary, pineal. See, these are the glands which are secreting hormones which we need to control by activating these centers in adequate quantity at the right time. These are secreted by ductless glands. So why not we understand and manage these hormones? I teach meditation from science point of view. Even in stressful situation, you can keep calm and composed, and do not have to really feel the tension which can be harmful, and it may result or manifest in some kind of disease in the body. Now that we know from where emotion is coming, you got some idea, right? Scientific meditation is all about treating psychosomatic disease. Friends, there is no side effect, and it is easy to learn. Here is how I can help you. You see, I will be very happy to have a one-to-one consultation. You can reach out to me on a WhatsApp message. The number is given. We can have online session or in-person session. Call me. Do not hesitate to connect with me on social media. Send me a message. I'll be very happy to take this forward.